Okay, so now let's move on to our next tutorial, how to animate using Magic Move. Since this guy has already been grouped using Command Option G, Command C to copy it, I'm going to put it on our background over here. Spooky looking background. Command V. Here it is, got the big guy here. Now, I don't want him to be a big guy. I'm going to make him a little guy. I'm going to start with him over here. Make him even tinier so we don't really know that he's there. Just do whatever you want, have fun, be creative. Now, easiest way to animate. Of course, in Animate we have all kinds of different things. If I select an object on the slide, I have build-ins, actions, and build-outs. That is another tutorial. It gets a little bit sticky sometimes when you add a lot, trying to order them and things, but for this, the simplest way possible is I'm not going to select an object. I'm going to get out of it, and now it says transitions. Transition is movement between slides, whereas animations are things that happen on slides. So I'm going to go over here. Now that that's highlighted yellow, Command D will duplicate that. Going to go over here. Now this transition is going to be a magic move. All right, it's ready to go. That means it's going to go from this slide to this slide, and anything that's moved that is on both slides will transform. Right now, if I do it, go to preview, you'll see that nothing happens. But if I go over here and I change this guy, let's say I just make him a little bit bigger. Now, it'll look like this. If I go to preview, you'll see him grow. So now I'm gonna go down here, Command D to duplicate that. And now it's just a matter of moving this around. Give us a sort of a Batman-y effect over here. Oh yeah, right in the middle. I love those lines, those guiding lines that show us when things are lined up. Now you might notice this blue triangle in the corner. That means it has a transition. So I want all these to have transitions. So Shift, click, now they're both highlighted. And I can add in Animate over here, I can add the magic move. Now, really, all I'm gonna do is Command duplicate this a bunch of times, go back to find the one, and then I'm just gonna move this around and you can see what happens. It will automatically fly wherever I've told it to go over here. And in this very final one here, we're gonna now go to the next tutorial and we're gonna add some text. It's gonna say Happy Halloween. So let's go with something that I have before. Scroll to the top shows what I've used recently. Funny and cute. Not bad, I like that. Now, I can just, it's all highlighted in the text box. I can Command plus it to make it bigger. I can go over here under formatting text options, go like this, or I can kind of just wing it. Type in 80, I think that's about right. And I'm gonna make that a more Halloween-y color. A nice dark orange. This is sort of a quick palette. If you click on this, however, you can go and find some more. There we go. Happy Halloween. So now, I'm going to also animate it. Animate, the build-in is going to be good old flame, because that's a nice effect on the dark. Fantastic. If I'm going to make that a GIF, I might want to make it a little bit longer, because GIFs speed things up. But I think with this number of slides, I'll probably stick with turning it into a YouTube video. I'll teach you both of those later. Now, finally, I'm going to select this guy, and I'm going to have a build out. I kind of like this one, as if he's scale big, as if he's flying out at us. Woo, spooky. Alright, so that's the end of that. In the next video tutorial here, I'm going to show you how to record it, export it to QuickTime.